Here's how to scrape the search results of Vinted without any coding knowledge. For this, we will need the Vinted scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Search Results. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List and go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also change the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape your data again. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here, you can change the data however you want. For example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.